नमस्कार, मैं अम्बे वर्मा और आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया टीवी न्यूज। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं कुछ खास खबरों की ओर।
वॉशिंगटन डीसी अमेरिका लोकसभा में विपक्ष के नेता और कांग्रेस सांसद राहुल गांधी ने कहा, यदि आप भारत सरकार को देखें तो 70 नौकरशाह हैं जो भारत सरकार चलाते हैं। भारत सरकार के सचिव हैं 70 लोगों में से एक आदिवासी, 3 दलित, 3 ओबीसी और 1 अल्पसंख्यक है। भारत सरकार में 90% लोगों की पहुंच 10% से भी कम पदों तक है, जो यह निर्धारित करते हैं कि धन कैसे खर्च किया जाएगा। हम आरक्षण को खत्म करने के बारे में तब सोचेंगे जब भारत एक निष्पक्ष जगह होगी, और भारत एक निष्पक्ष जगह नहीं है। मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप कभी अंबानी या अडानी बनने जा रहे हैं। वे दरवाजे बंद हैं।
Let's look at the numbers. If you look at the Indian government and you look at, there are 70 bureaucrats who run the Indian government, secretaries to the government of India. These are the guys that take pretty much all the financial decisions in the government. Okay? If you add up Dalits, tribals, OBCs, they come to 73%. Out of 70 people, there's one tribal. I think 3 Dalits, 3 OBCs. So, and I think a minority. So, 90% of India, in the government of India, has access to less than 10% of the positions that determine how money is going to be spent. And when you actually look at the financial numbers, then tribals get 10 paisa out of 100 rupees. Dalits get, I think, 5 rupees out of 100 rupees. And OBCs get a similar number. So the fact of the matter is that they're not getting participation, right? And the problem is that 90% of India is not able to play, right? Go through the list of every single business leader in India, and I've done it. Show me the tribal name. Show me the Dalit name. Show me the OBC name. Out of the top 200, I think there's one OBC. They're 50% of India. So we're not treating the symptom. That's the problem, right? Now, it's not the only tool. There are other tools. But we will think of scrapping reservations when India is a fair place. And India is not a fair place. Now, that creates a problem, because there are many people who come from the upper castes, right, who say, look, what have we done wrong, right? Why are we being punished? And so then you think about increasing dramatically the supply of some of these things. You think about decentralizing power. You think about involving many more people in the governance of our country, right? You think of opening up, I mean, frankly, with all due respect, I don't think any of you are ever going to become Adani or Ambani. And there's a reason for that. You can't. Because those doors are closed.
ताज़ा खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें, ताकि हर खबर की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे।